Welcome to ICSC Help YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about linear inequation chapter 4. You have read equation, but inequation is much different from equation. Inequation, you know that if x is equal to 2 plus 4, it means x is equal to 6. But when in equation, then what are the condition? If x is less than 2 plus 4 or x is greater than 2 plus 4 or x is greater than or equal 2 plus 4 or x is smaller than or equal 2 plus 4. In equation, LHS is equal to RHS in equation, but in inequation there are 4 conditions. Either it is smaller, or it is greater, or it is greater or equal, or it is smaller or equal. These are known as inequation. The sign of inequation, symbol of inequation, smaller than, greater than, smaller than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. First of all, before starting linear inequation, you should know about some point which is very common. First of all, you should know what is natural number. You know 1, 2, 3, 4. What is whole number? You know 0, 1, 2 and so on. What is integer? Dash dash dash, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 dash dash dash. What is rational number? Any number in P upon Q, 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 and so on. You should also know some fact of class 9 mathematics before starting linear inequation. Union, intersection, these are also common in this chapter linear inequation, the important chapter for ICSC class 10th mathematics. Now we will discuss about the rule of inequation. What are the rule of inequation? Rule, a property of inequation. Number 1, adding or subtracting any quantity to inequation, the symbol of inequality does not change. If x is greater than 5, then adding any quantity or subtracting any quantity, symbol of inequation does not change. Suppose that we subtract to both sides of inequation, but the value of x minus 2 and 5 minus 2 it will be same when x is greater than 5. Example, let 10 is greater than 5, subtracting both sides, 10 minus 1 and 5 minus 1, result is 9 is greater than 4. It means proof that adding or subtracting anything, sign of inequality does not change. Rule number 2, adding any quantity to inequation, the sign of inequality does not change. Let 10 is greater than 5. Adding to both sides of inequation, the value is 12 and this is 7. It is also true that adding any quantity both sides is also true, and sign or symbol of inequality does not change. You have read two rules. First, subtracting any quantity, sign of inequality does not change. And second rule, adding any quantity, sign of inequality does not change. And third rule, multiplying or dividing by any positive number, sign of inequality also not change. Let 10 is greater than 5. Multiply to both sides. 10 into 2, while 5 into 2, 10 into 2, 20, 5 into 10, sign is also same, no change. And in case of divide, sign will not be changed. Divide by any positive number. 10 is greater than 5. Divide 10 by 5 and 5 by 5. 2 greater than 1. It is also true. It means adding, subtracting or multiplying by positive number or divide by positive number, the sign of inequality does not change. Now we will discuss about last rule of inequality. The last rule of inequality is multiplying or dividing by negative number, sign of inequality change. Let 10 is greater than 5. Multiplying or dividing by negative number, the sign of inequality change. 10 multiply by minus 2 and 5 also multiply by minus 2, and the result is minus 20 and result is minus 10. Now which number is greater? We know that minus 10 is greater than minus 20 and the inequation sign has been changed. This change should be so at this point because value has been changed, just multiplying or dividing by negative number. Same result also occur when we divide by negative number. Taking some example, this is the question, and divide by minus 5. After divide, minus 2, minus 1. We know that minus 1 is greater than minus 2, so the sign of inequality change. So there are 4 rules. First of all, adding or subtracting any number, the sign of inequality no change. Multiplying or dividing by any positive number, sign of inequality no change. While multiplying or dividing by negative number, sign of inequality change. Now we will start some example to solve the problem. Let 3x minus 11 is smaller than 3 and x is natural number. X belongs to natural number. 3x, adding 11 both side, minus 11 plus 11, 3 plus 11, adding 11 both side, 3x 14, x 14 upon 3, x is 4 point something, it means x is less than 3. Sometime we need it plot on number line. So we will draw number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, while this side -1, -2, -3, -4. Now in the question that x is natural number. X is natural number. So it is smaller than 4.3 4 12 by 2 20 4.6. We know that natural number is smaller than 4.6 is 4, 3, 2, 1 but not 0 because it is not natural number, it is whole number. So less than 4.6, the natural number will be 4, 3, 2 and 1. So our answer, a solution set is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Answer. Now we will take second example to understand the topic more clearly. We take other example to solve this type questions. 5 minus 4x. 5 minus 4x is greater than 2 minus 3x. Greater than 2 minus 3x. Adding plus 3x both sides. 5 minus 4x plus 3x. 2 minus 3x plus 3x. Adding 3x both sides. 3x 3x. 5 4 3 minus x 2. Now subtracting 5 both sides. 5 minus 5 minus x 2 minus 5 minus x minus 3. Now multiplying -1 both sides. Minus x into -1 -3 into -1. But you know that multiplying or divide by negative number, sign of inequality change. So this sign will become this sign. X is greater than, x is smaller than 3, sorry, x is smaller than 3 and x is, in the question, x is belong to whole number. X is belong to whole number. Smaller than 3, smaller than 3 whole number, 2, 1 and 0. So solution set is 0, 1, 2. This is the solution set. If you have any problem in solving the numericals of linear inequation of chapter 4, you can visit our official website icschelp.com to get the solution of all publication of ICSE board, including ML Agrawal, RS Agrawal, S. Chand, OP Malhotra and other famous publication. All the question has been solved step by step according council latest guideline. Thank you.